Hi everyone, welcome to the video. I'm Katherine from ATAR Notes, and today I'm going to be talking about the structure of the cell membrane. So the cell membrane has 5 different components they're going to be talking about today. So the first one are phospholipids, then proteins, glycoproteins, glycolipids, and finally cholesterol. Now the phospholipids make up the main component of the cell membrane because they form the phospholipid bilayer. So phospholipids have a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail. So this means that because the hydrophilic heads like to interact with the extracellular and intracellular fluid, and the hydrophobic tails like to interact with each other, as you can see like this is the hydrophilic head, this is hydrophobic, you end up with this double bilayer here. Now proteins are also a very important component of the cell membrane because they are needed for movement of molecules across the membrane. So for example, some proteins are transmembrane proteins, and they're, for example, protein channels, which we'll talk about in another video. Now glycoproteins and glycolipids are very important in cell signaling. So glycolipids are carbohydrates attached to lipids, and glycoproteins are carbohydrates attached to proteins. Now finally, cholesterol is another extremely important component of the cell membrane, and that's because the cholesterol actually helps to maintain the fluidity of the cell membrane. So as temperature changes, so if it becomes warmer or colder, this can actually affect how fluid the cell membrane is. So cholesterol does its job, therefore, by retaining the integrity of the cell membrane. So obviously very important. So those 5 components of the cell membrane that we talked about today are super important. I hope this video helped you.